subscribed, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and leave me a comment in the comment section. Okay, so in this video I want to show you how to do basic calculations, like for an example, like in this spreadsheet, you given to calculate the highest mark obtained in this tests or in these assessments, and also you given to calculate the lowest marks and the average. Okay, so we are going to explore three formulas here. The first one to calculate the highest mark will be the maximum formula, and the lowest is going to be the mean, which is the minimum. Okay, and then average is going to be the average formula. Okay, so this is how you do it. We'll start calculating the highest mark. Okay, so you need to be in the cell where you need to calculate that calculation. Okay, so where my active cell is at currently is cell B27. Okay, don't forget that when you do calculations, just key in the equal sign. Okay, so you can go to the insert function, the fx, and then look for maximum, which is max. Click on max, then you click on OK. Okay, so it's going to show you where it's gonna start calculating. Okay, so in this field, it's showing us that it's calculating from cell B3, which is here, up until cell B26. Okay, which is correct. And then when you click on OK, it is already calculated. So if you check the assessment, indeed 100 is the highest mark obtained for the first assessment. Okay, so this is how you do it. Okay, so you do not need to calculate for the second assessment and assessment 3. You can just use the autofill handle to just copy the formula to the rest of the assessments. Okay, like that. Okay, so now we are going to calculate the mean, which is the lowest. We do the same. It's going to be equals, then you go to the insert function, look for mean, then you click on OK. So you just redirect where you want to calculate. You can put your mouse from B3, you just drag it until B26, then you click OK. Then it is calculated. So 0 is the minimum mark obtained. So you can use the autofill handle to copy the formula to the rest of the other columns, just like that. Okay, and the last one is calculating the average. Use the equal sign, go to your insert function, which is fx, look for average, then you click on OK. Then just click where you want the computer to calculate, from cell B3 up until B26, and then you click on OK. It will calculate for you nicely. And then you just use the autofill handle to copy the formula to the rest. Okay, like that. And then you, if you don't want the marks to appear the way they are, you can just simply decrease the decimals. Okay, where do we decrease the decimals? Here on the general tab or on the number tab. Okay, do you see this increase and this decrease? When you click on decrease, you'll see the decimals is now 1. When you click again, there's no decimal. So that's how you can do it. Okay, I hope this was useful. Don't forget to subscribe.